Okay, so here's the second video. How did Jim Propp explain this new to us method of solving problems like this?
So he did this method called chip firing, where everyone starts with 2 chips.
Okay, why 2?
Well, because this is, when you have 3 chips, what happens is 1 chip goes to one neighbor, 1 chip goes to the other neighbor, and 1 chip goes out.
Ah, okay. So
we start at the last stage, the maximum amount of chips you can have on the board before things start to happen.
All right. All right, so how do we solve? What do we do here?
So you put a 3rd chip on.
And then...
With the person who starts with the $100 bill.
He's going to start.
Okay.
And then the chip firing happens.
All right.
And
then we just look to see, can we do more chip firing? And
so
we can.
We can do more chip firing. It goes like this. Then you can do more chip firing. It goes like this. I guess it goes like clockwise.
Well, it doesn't matter. It'll end up the same.
Oh, that's an interesting question, though. Does it matter?
Well, this is the way he did it. He just did it in this clockwise way.
So what happened again? And then
these.
How did you know what to do with 4 chips?
Well, when you have more than 3, you do the same thing, and leftover chips he just keeps.
Okay.
So
this guy is 2 now.
We can't do more chip firing.
So now we just add chips until we can do more chip firing. So if we add a chip,
we can do chip firing, and it'll go out like that.
All right.
And now we'll need to add 3 more chips before we can do any more.
All right.
We will. And
then we can do more.
We can do more chip firing. That.
And then here, for this guy, we can do more. Out to there.
There, yeah. Okay.
So we have to do more. Add it here, left, right, left, out.
And then we can't do any more chip firing yet. So we have to add 3 more chips.
1, 2, 3. And then it goes left, right, out. And we add 1, 2, and now
we're back to where we started.
Okay, and what do you do when you're back to where you started?
So we stop the chip firing because it'll just repeat again.
Okay.
And we look at the outside chips that are out.
So there is a total of 11. There's 5 here, 2 on either side of him, and then there's 2 or 1 for each of these guys up here.
All right.
So you look at the number of chips Eustace has over the total number of chips there are on the outside, so it's 5 out of 11.
5 out of 11.
Neat.
Really cool. Now notice that the blue Lego character and the yellow Lego character ended up both with 2.
Yeah.
Why do you think it's symmetric like that?
Well, because it doesn't matter. Because the way the chip firing works, 1 always would go to him and 1 always would go to him. He had 3.
All right. All right, cool. All right, now we'll go to the game that Jim Propp said try to solve.
All right.